Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to activate Snapchat dark mode. So let's start it. So if you want to activate Snapchat dark mode on your device, then what you can do is to simply open up your Snapchat application. After opening up your Snapchat application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on that, now you have to tap on the gear icon which is on the top right. After tapping on your gear icon, now just scroll down. After scrolling down, you should find this option which is App Appearance. Just tap on App Appearance. And now to change your Snapchat to dark mode, what you have to do is just tap on Always Dark. And after tapping on Always Dark, now you just have to tap on Restart Now. And after tapping on Restart Now, here you can see guys, you have successfully changed your Snapchat from light mode to dark mode. So that's it guys, this is how to activate Snapchat dark mode. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.